right, we are live. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, we are live. Hope everyone's doing wonderfully well today. It is Tuesday, September 1st. An amazing day. Let's get into the first things we want to talk about is Band, right? Talk about Band. Tokometrics said Band will be $22 a coin by the end of September, maybe even earlier than that. So that's something I wanted to push out there. Sorry, we had technical difficulties today, issues with this camera. See, something going on with the camera. I updated it, and now XSplit VCam, the program I use to work with the backgrounds and situations like that, is really amazing. Now isn't working with my OBS stream. So great, right? Great. So happy about that. So you try to update and do the right thing in the morning. Don't update before a live stream, right? Don't do it. All right, guys. USDOT is still a strong buy. This has been a strong buy for days. They've been pushing these signals. Let's find out if it's a strong buy. Dope, man. This is a good thing to do on the boat. Hopefully the Wi-Fi will connect. This actually will get you through the entire boat ride, and then you'll be like done. Where you going? Won't be on too long. Yeah, I feel you. Having technical difficulties right off the bat, man. Right off the bat today. But yo, huge news. That coin that I told you I got on Uniswap is up gigantic, over 100% in a day. They're telling you the gains are out of Uniswap. It's like, yeah, it's high risk. You got to take a shot. You got to do something new and different. But that's what the Crypto Lifer is all about. And I'm all about getting the rewards. A little riskier, a little more rewarding, right? So again, though, there's no stop loss on those. Like, they're not on an exchange. It's really gung-ho there, right? 100% gung-ho, but we'll figure it out. Wow, Band Protocol making a huge move right now at 1469. If you were watching my channel, we all decided to get into Band here when it bounced off the 0.5 fib. If you could have gotten to the golden pocket here between the 0.618 and the 0.5, you would have been an amazing place to accumulate. But we got in Band right here on this bottom line. We saw a MACD cross coming right there. The blue was about to cross the red. We were at the bottom of a trend line. We had our price action. And yeah, Band at 1471 and on its way. Look for Band to eclipse $16 today, just on a run. If you're going to see a lot of money spill out of Bitcoin, when Bitcoin pumps like that, money tends to fly back into Band. It just does. I see it happen all the time. And Band coming back strong. So yeah, let's look at the big boy elephant in the room, Bitcoin. Right now, super happy we broke back into the channel. Almost really never happens. Two things occurred here that I really want to discuss. Number one, if you're watching my channel, I told you we were in a fractal, okay? And I showed you the fractal, okay? And this is another reason why I thought Bitcoin would go bullish, all right? And I know it's crazy, but look, we moved up. This is the move up right here. We came down and had a huge spike up with a spike down. So look, we moved up, we came down, we had a huge spike up with a spike down. And it's uncanny how strange these look, like straight down, like they're wiki. See? Straight down. Now we consolidate back to the trend line, almost poke. Here we did poke, or I could move my line where we say we just, So then we consolidate back to the trend line, do a little bit of a dip, hit the trend line again. So consolidate back to the trend line, do a little dip, hit the trend line again. So now we're here and here. If I put my finger on these and ran them together, my fingers could stay exactly in line, right? Now it goes back to the bottom of the trend line and does a rollover. Now it does the back of the trend line, does a rollover. Look, these even look identical. Up, down, hit the trend line, right? Squiggly moves down, falls out of the trend line, Here, though, we didn't break back in. Here, we just kind of play games till we move back up. We break back in about here, if you think about it. If we were to extend this line, that's where we get back in. Technically, these could almost be the same channel. Like, we could just extend it, which I actually just thought about getting creative here, but see? So Bitcoin range, but that is a fractal. And I said, you know what, even though, but I kept saying Bitcoin's going to roll over. It's at the bottom of a trend line with a MACD cross coming. How much more can it move, right? But breaking back into this pattern is huge. It's very, very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Extremely bullish. So now holding my target at 15,110 for Bitcoin. And I'm sticking to that. I'm going to hold that pretty tight. Pretty sweet. BLZ, coin I really liked. Now it's starting to come back down. You can see that was accumulation range. Why did it bounce? Let me teach you why. You pull a Fibonacci once something has gone up a lot, because that's what the other traders are doing. And look, we came into the golden pocket, the 0.5 to the 618. It's not uncanny that we would bounce out of the golden pocket. So basically what I try to do is I try to find the golden pocket over and over again. If I see a coin fly, I let it go. I don't think about it for a couple weeks. I come back to it. When I see it's come back down, I look for it to come into the golden pocket. Sometimes you only get the 386, but when you do get here, it's beautiful, right? Beautiful. So remember that, just something to look forward to. We have pink here. This is something I will consider getting back into right now, BLZ. I'm locked up in trades at the moment, so I'm not going to go running into anything like that, but just something to put on your radar. The point with me too is if you're starting to watch my channel, you should just watch some of my calls, write them down, and see if they come to fruition before you even take one. You should watch my track record over and over and over again. All right. Okay. Doc, 2999, spiked up huge but came back down. This is a coin I've been accumulating and thinking about. I've been in and out of it, honestly, trading it pretty heavily. What I do is I delete these now and we create a new look. So we're in a triangle. We have support here. Boom. Some resistance right there. I can already see the triangle. Almost looks like a breakout with a retest. Okay. Well, we can go up here and do that, but breakout with a retest, double bottom, very bullish. Almost want to say like this is entry. It's kind of crazy, but this is entry. Blue line just crossed the red line. It's kind of milling around. We do have slight hidden bull divergence that did play out. You can see here to here. This swing low to that swing low goes up. This swing low to that swing low goes down. That's what's called hidden bullish divergence. And boom. All right. Now let me get into how I made 100% on YFI. All right. This is crazy. I want to look at DOT right now. DOT coming right back down for the retest. That usually means it's about to fly. That's what's called a retest right there. See it? Boom. We did have hidden bullish divergence that played out, just like we said, on the bottom of the trend line, back to 641. As you can see, though, we're having serious issues getting through this area here at 675. Clearly, we hit it last night, and we just could not breach it. We got rejected again. Got rejected right here, got rejected right there. So we're really watching this closely now. Could be turning into a range, but something you want to watch is DOT. I've been in it now for days, and it's taking a little too long to take off, in my opinion. But ICX, we were looking at ICX. Now it came back down to the bottom of the trend line. We kind of adjust our triangle. Kind of forming a triple bottom at this point. Heavy, heavy, heavy support in this area. You can see we bounced here, we bounced there, we bounced there, we bounced there. Higher highs, higher lows each time, even by slight, but it's a higher low nonetheless. We may have gotten stopped out on that wick. Sometimes I do say to put the wick below that other wick, the stop loss below the lowest wick you can find, like right here. But we didn't want. If you did get stopped out, you lost like 2 or 3%, right? And now you can get back in on this trend line and see if it can carry you. But that's just something I got to put out there right now. All right, so yeah, but they're still looking at this trade. Why? Because the MACD looks like it's running out. I do see hidden bullish divergence as well. We have a swing low. I've never seen so much hidden bullish divergence in my life. It's on like every coin has it. It's amazing. This is going to go up. It's about to. That's the aggressive buy. That's the smart buy right there at the bottom of the trend line. So that's where you would enter at 58.54 and just keep the stop losses a little tighter, like right down here around 52, and hope this trend line catches. If it doesn't and it falls out, then it negates the pattern and negates the entire plan, and we can move on and go to another coin. But if it doesn't, it's going to start moving up. So look for ICX, something to keep on your radar. All right. KNC, Kyber Network. Let's see what I got. We got a giant triangle on the 4-hour, MACD cross, double top on the RSI. I would stay away from this coin. Nothing I like about it at the moment, right? LTO, Bitcoin. You can see a lot, just a big drop here. Let's look. Yeah. My friend shorted Overstock, and I clearly explained to him there was hidden bullish divergence. The MACD was running out, and it was about to go out. I actually said it was a perfect buy at 87. Just pretty funny. YFI. All right, let's get into this. Let's talk about what's going on. How you can make a lot of money real fast. All right. Okay, this is YFI. All right. It came out on the 29th of August. To YFI BTC Yearn Finance. Okay, it's worth 2.8 biddies. All right, and when it started, it was worth, this says half a biddy, but you could have gotten it earlier than that. Like before it got onto Binance, it was only $3. People were buying it on Uniswap. Okay, so things are starting on Uniswap, and then they're growing and growing and growing and growing. So you really need to get in to Uniswap. All right. I don't think there's any referral links or anything. It's an automated liquidity protocol. You're interacting with a smart contract. So now you're going to go to etherscan.io, right? And you're going to look for the address of a token, right? Or a token. Like right now, I wanted YFFI, all right? I'm putting you guys on to something pretty serious right now. So YFFI, okay? Total supply is 58,000 coins, all right? Only 4,600 people own this coin at the very moment, okay? Let's hit their initial site. I'm going to kick my Coinbase wallet to continue. All right. Wow. YFI Finance is exploding, man. Exploding. It was 126 the other day. I can't believe it. Well, I want a link. Boom. Look at how quick it knows I linked it that fast. Stake. Oh, so you could stake your YFI, huh? Yearn, Balancer, YFFI, DAI, right? Wallet. Which tokens would you like to stake? Yearn, Balancer, YFI, CRV, open. Huh. I'm like so new to all this that I'm just like still kind of like, whoa. Like, give me a second here. So, but what I want to tell you is this is how you buy it, all right? You go to etherscan.io, you type in the actual ticker, and it gives you a contract address. This is the AI contract address. Like, this is basically the blockchain contract that you're going to be interacting with. This contract says, if you give me this, I'll give you that, right? Automated trading, okay? Then you're going to go to Uniswap. You're going to go to select token. You're going to paste the contract name in there, all right? Boom. Then you hit YFFI. And then I have Coinbase. I added it what's called Coinbase Wallet, all right? Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet, two separate entities, all right? Two separate apps but they will link really fast. You hit connect wallet, hit the Coinbase. It already connects. It shows I have 2.82 ETH, right? So to spend, I kept 3 ETH ready to spend, ready to go, because I know this is hot. This is hot right now, right? So now you get 1.1 Wi-Fi per ETH. Interesting. See, the other day I got it was a little off, right? Let's just look at the price of YFFI right now on CoinMarketCap. So, all right. Here's the deal. What's going on, guys? Like, I'm streaming. It can't sound like that up there. It can't. That's uncalled for, my love. Screaming, slamming, please no. Just let her wash the dishes. I know, but like, teach her how to wash dishes. What's the point of that? All right. It was just at 333. It's up 156% again today alone. Okay? Up 156% again today alone. Why FFI Finance? I got in at $160, guys. $160 yesterday. Okay? This coin is going to do what these other coins are doing. I want to show you Yearn Finance. So anything with the other people will probably think this. They'll get mistaken. Who cares? It's speculative. It's insanity. And you're going to lock up a bunch of money in this too, and you can get paid, right? It's a cryptocurrency token that operates on the Ethereum platform. The last known price was $333. It's up 100 over the last 24 hours. It is currently trading on 9 active markets. Wow. So where are the other active market pairs here? So I'd like to see it on an exchange. Balancer, you can get it for DAI, ETH. So Balancer is really big. I'm seeing Balancer come up a lot. That's another reason why you want to buy Balancer. They have a coin, YFFI. So it's $400 if you buy it for DAI right now. $237 for this ETH here. So it's cheaper here than on Uniswap. Uniswap is a little more expensive. You get it for $250 here. I don't know what this is all about. $1770. That's not true. OX protocol. So you're going to get it between $300 and $400. The prices are kind of different here because we're getting into the decentralized land of coins. But this is how I made 100% overnight. Shout out to BitBoy. BitBoy's channel really hooked it up, taught me a lot, and got me up to speed really fast with Uniswap and what's happening, right? Boom, boom. Let me just go to my wallet, receive Bitcoin, no, receive ETH. So I just want to receive some ETH right now. All right. All right. Yeah, so one of my good friends, basically, he wanted to do a competition. I was telling everyone how amazing crypto was. They didn't believe me. They thought I was out of my mind. So, yeah, they didn't believe me. They were like, there's no way this guy is making all this money and all this stuff. And so they said, okay, we're going to have a competition. Everyone's going to get $5,000. We're going to see at the end of 6 months who makes the most money, okay? And I can kind of like show you guys the competition. I don't think it has anybody's name or anything on it, so it's not like a huge deal. But I'm killing it. I'm killing the competition. So it just shows the crypto traders, and they're all in stocks and different things. And one guy's even been trading for a long time. And everyone claims, oh, I made money, but I didn't put, like, because sometimes you put money, but it's not in the competition, right? But yeah, absolutely killing it. Cleared 10,000 just the other day. And he gave me 5,000 on July 18th, I got it. So it's been about almost 2 months now, and we've gone up 100%. Should have made even more, honestly. But we've been trucking along and doing our thing, right? We've doubled our money in the last month. And we've made more money on other things as well. And because it was a competition, I was very, very, very careful. Like, I didn't want to lose the money for any reason. So I was very anal about it and very, very consistent with everything I did. All right. So I wanted to show you YFFI Finance. I wanted to show you Uniswap. And I wanted to explain how you get down. Okay? It's pretty interesting. All right? This is still pending. This is crazy. I tried to buy a DIST token last night, and it's been pending ever since. So who knows if it will go through or not. It's pretty weird. Yeah. How long are you going to have pending? See right here? It's pending. Can I just clear that? So if you clear it, it's over, huh? Yeah. I'm still learning this stuff too, guys. Like, that's why this is Crypto Lifer. I take you through it all, right? And look, the ETH went up huge last night. So we got into ETH heavily. So we bought a bunch of ETH to buy these coins, right? And then ETH exploded. Just watch my live stream, man. Everything I do is live on my live stream, and everyone keeps trying to ask me on a text message. I'm live right now. You're going to be live yelling on my live stream. I'm live right now explaining how to do it. Right now. All right. People like want to know how to make money. All right, guys. So if you're live right now, let me know. Just say hello in the chat because I want to show you guys how to make money in DeFi. Okay, how I made 100% in 12 hours. How I did it. Okay, 12K in a second. Just wait. Yeah, no, for sure. Okay, so check it out. The first thing you do is you go to Coinbase and you buy Ethereum. I'm sure everybody knows how to do that. We know that, right? Then you go to the App Store and you download the Coinbase wallet. Okay, it's a separate app. Okay, see it here? Coinbase wallet, the secure app to store your crypto yourself. Okay, and you can get a bunch of awesome stuff there. All right, so get that. Okay, once you buy Ethereum on your Coinbase account, you're gonna hit like send here in or receive here in your Coinbase wallet, and it'll link to your Coinbase account. Like you right when you start the Coinbase wallet, it'll ask to link to a Coinbase account, and you will link them. It'll take a minute, email, maybe a text message back and forth, something like that. Once they're linked, you'll be able to send seamlessly money back and forth from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet on your phone. Okay. Once it's on your phone, you go over to uniswap.com. Okay. .org, which is even cooler. Like, what a nice, right? I just want to show you the official site all the way from the beginning. So you go to Uniswap right here. You hit launch app. All right. Once the app launches, you go to ETH, you connect a wallet. I've already connected my wallet, so it can connect. If it doesn't, a QR code comes up, and you're going to go into your settings inside of the Coinbase wallet. Okay. And you basically connect to your Coinbase wallet, and you're going to hit link wallet. Okay. And then, so here you're going to hit connect a wallet up here. And then inside the Coinbase wallet app, you're going to hit link wallet. And a camera is going to come up, and it's going to take a picture of the QR code on Uniswap. Okay. And then they're going to link. And then it's going to know how much ETH you have. Boom. All right. Now, YFFI Finance, I really think it's going to do something insane. Okay. It's growing by the day. Okay. Let's look at his historical data. This thing was $100 yesterday. All right. And look at the volume. $1,000. It started on the 18th for 30 cents. No one even knew about this thing. Look, $2,000 people were trading it. Right? Nothing. 95 cents. Okay. $7, $20, $26, $217, $5 million now. Right? And what's happening is you get paid a lot to put your coins in here. So people are staking the stuff. So they don't want to leave it. So the more people that had it, the more it adds and adds and adds and adds. And the last one that did this was Yearn Finance. Okay. So I basically found out about it, caught wind of it. I started seeing a coin like $15,000 a coin. I said, what is this? I thought it was like some type of aggregate market, like ETF of crypto. Like I couldn't believe it was an actual coin. Let's show you the coin just so you can believe me 100%. But it's called Yearn Finance. Okay. Yearn Finance, YFI. See, now we're in YFFI. Okay. This is $33,000 a coin. Let's look at the historical data. Okay. On August 1st, it was $4,000 a coin, right? But before you got it, it started getting on exchanges and getting listed here. It was getting bought on Uniswap for pennies. Like, I'm telling you, for $3 to $4, $6 at one point. So the total supply is 30,000 YFI. So there's only so many people can have one of these coins. 24-hour volume, 619 million. Return on investment, 3,000%. But it made way more than that. That's just when it got to their site. Okay. A lot of these coins don't even hit the site yet. For instance, DistX. I knew about DistX before it was on CoinMarketCap. Okay. This thing is about to skyrocket as well. It has no historical data. Look, no data to display. They don't even know what it's going to do yet. It's the 2,000th coin on CoinMarketCap. This thing is about to explode. All right. So just DistX, something to think about. All right. DistX. Okay. Show you my positions. We're down an Atom that we got into last night. One taking a beating. VeChain, we're up 300. We didn't take the bait. Should have taken the bait. CHZ up. Band starting to turn. IOST up. LTO up. So doing well. Count is at an all-time high. Just check the pricing on it. We're at we cracked 20,000. 20,400. On our road to the wins, man. I'm in USD DOT. Let's check the DOT Polkadot trade. But honestly, this is the most exciting thing to look at right now. Like, look, I can't even track FFI. Look, I can't get anything on it because if you can't get a ticker on it, then you know you're in the right coin. Isn't that insane? But I just showed you guys twice now how to use Uniswap over and over again. I told you that I bought YFFI Finance. Giving you guys gems every day. So, yeah. Let's get into the news. Let's see what's going on for Bitcoin. Let's get into gold. Let's get into the markets. Let's see what's happening with with Bitcoin. See what's happening with Bitcoin right now. Just checking up on it. Let me get a full featured chart. Crypto total market cap exploding in a bull flag. As you can see, we're flagging on the total market cap. Tells me we're about to go up. We're breaching, a little bit of a double bottom. So this is the total market cap for all of cryptocurrencies, right? All the money that's in it right now. $367 billion, right? $367 billion. But I thought it was more than that. I thought we were at like 385. It's funny. Is this the total market cap? Thought we were higher than that. BLZ still slipping but bouncing. I'm telling you, that 618, man. Gotta love it. Once you learn your Fibonacci's, trading becomes insane. All right, so do we come down here? And now we're going to test this line. And we did already test this line at 770. That was the bullish retest, you know? I thought we were going to have the bearish retest of this line. It's funny how an inch can change it, right? We're on the other side of this yellow line. We're talking bearish tones. We're on the other side. We're talking bullish, right? Bitcoin is getting up into that overbought region. The last time we got up into that. So we will make it up here, 12,644. That's basically my target, is the top of this trend line. You know, like somewhere here. Bring it down. My target for Bitcoin, short term, 12,650. We may roll over back down into 12.8 right here. And the good thing about it is, though, the lows of this will start to become higher, and we will begin to trend upwards. That's a really good thing. Cody, I want to put that on your radar. I told my friend that was his coin at 50 cents. See, look, this is a rising wedge, 68% chance of break to the downside, and boy, did it break down. Boom. But look, this is still making higher highs, higher lows, eclipsing its older region. We do have this bit of a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulders. That could come back down here, retest this line. A little more red on the histogram. And basically you want to get Cody somewhere in this range between, if you can get it below 8 cents, I would do it. Okay, let's check on DOT. 638, really having a line in the sand here at this level, but it is above this level. This could become an SR flip. SR flips, guys. Look, resistance becomes new support. It's not uncanny that, look, the exact line, I can draw a line where the price hit before is the same place where the price has bounced off of. We also had a retest, meaning we came back down to the line, people bought it back up. This is classic, ready to rock. The histogram is not really working in our favor at the moment. It's looking a little funny. We do have to watch it. I'm not sure what people were just kind of sitting here. The sad thing is, what I'm worried about, because it's happening in my mind, is when will people abandon Binance for Uniswap? Like, will they just flood into these other coins and like leave all these to ruin? You know, Ethereum making huge moves. Glad I bought a bunch of Ethereum yesterday. Yeah, it was a good idea, right? I bought Ethereum to buy all these tokens, and then boom, it boomed up pretty nicely. So yeah. The ideas, man, running through my head all the time. IOST, something I really got to put on your radar. Look, broke out, coming back for the retest. Again, we do have a double top on the RSI, kind of hitting its target. Really want to see this line hold as well, above 0.007. That's not even a cent yet. IOST, huge gains coming for IOST. It's in the DeFi, has a lot of news coming. I see 33% gains coming all the way to 0.096. I would accumulate IOST on this line. I would wait for it to kind of curl down, though, and wait for the histogram to reset. But let's look at it on the daily. On the daily, it's about to explode. The daily tells you very strong we're going to see a huge move in IOST. So if you're planning on getting in, I would get in at IOST. That's going to be the plan right now. FET, what happened to you? FET broke out, came back down, retesting this line again. We see a lot of the same stuff going on, but now we see the histogram turning pink. The yellow, whitish area, the blue line. We want to see it curve up a little more before we decide to buy. We do see slight hidden bullish divergence from this low to that low there, and it did play out a little bit, but it wasn't the best. It could have been better. So that's on the daily. On the 4 hour, we're starting to kind of turn off too. Still more red, and we should be able to pan out. Looks like we're holding this level very hard. Look, you can see this is a new support region here that we've created. Heavy support at 11.3. So also, if you pull a fib on that, and we go over to the left, you're going to see the fib is again in the 0.5, between the 0.5 and the 618. You see, accumulation range, guys. It dips in there, and people know it so well. Look, it doesn't stay in there long because the traders know that that's the perfect time to buy, so they buy it up right in that position. So FET doing its thing. And let's look at Atom. I got into Atom last night, and it did not go my way per plan, so to speak. I mean, that was supposed to be a nice MACD cross right there. Boom. We had no green histogram. But now we're kind of back, streamlining with the blue line going down. We're in the wedge. We had lower volume with the price moving down. So, and we're wedging in the end of this wedge. It's time. It's time for this to pop. You can see it. I like to see the Bollinger Bands. I had Bollinger Bands out there. John Bollinger. There they are. The bands are tight. Look time. When the bands get tight, explosive moves. Okay? The bands get tight, explosive moves. The bands are tightening up. Means they're getting closer. They could even get a little closer. But that tells me there's an explosive move coming for Atom. Out of this, look at it, just consolidating into the end of this triangle, stuffing itself in there. The more narrow these triangles become, the more explosive the move. Look for Atom to make big gains. Targets in green are $9 from 720. So, yeah, I actually think buying Atom right now on entry. Again, this isn't financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I would be buying Atom right around here. Yes, I would. Balancer, boomed up, boomed back down, bottom of the trend line. Stop loss inside the pattern negates the boom out. So now you can kind of begin to, I think, actually to buy right here at the bottom of the trend line and do the same thing over and over again. As long as you're not losing a lot, you can kind of reset, recharge, remove, try it again. Band went all the way up to this top trend line here at 1496, got rejected. So people took some profits. We'll see what happens playing games. On the daily, it's about to rip off, though. Look at that. Blue line about to cross the red line. We're in the pink histogram. This would be a perfect place to buy Band. Look for Band to go up to $21. Okay? I can only give you guys so many of these. You know, I'm in CHZ. Why did I buy CHZ? Well, I pulled a fib on it on the 4 hour. It was in the 618.5, 618. We have the Bollinger Bands getting very tight right here. Big move for CHZ. Coming out of the wedge, having a bit of a struggle. We need some news, something to push it. But look for CHZ to come all the way to 2 1/10 of a cent for 40% gains out of CHZ. And these are the USDT pairs as well, just to kind of put that on your radar. Okay. FIO was a big coin, brand new. Came out very, very recently. Something to think about. Did break out, but did not hold its gains. Then we had Arthur Hayes texting about NWRX or NWXN. Let's see if I put it in my current positions. WXNM pumped up. So a lot of things pumped up. It came back down to their lines. I saw that a lot last night, right? Almost everything kind of did a fake out. You know why? They were faked out, and then Bitcoin started to move. People were like, oh, what's going on with Bitcoin. So they started to move out. Penn Gaming, we put you in there at 5140. Explosive move on Penn Gaming. Yeah. All right. Okay, here's my update on Penn Gaming. Here's my update on Penn Gaming that I gave to everybody free, completely free. I gave this to you guys free yesterday. Everyone on my Instagram channel, I told you we had hidden bullish divergence. Okay, I play that blindly. It means a swing low on the price is low to a swing low on the price way higher, but a swing low on the RSI to a swing low is lower. That tells me that the price will continue. We had a giant shootout. I told you to get in at 5140. 5140 was my call. You are now up. Huge. Pretty much. And on our way to my call at 75. Boom. So there's my target. It's about, 76.25, 47% gains off the bottom of the trend line. We held. Look for this white line to close. Bollinger Band's very tight. Tells me that there's even more of this move coming. If we check it out on the 1 hour, very, very strong candle, 57.50. Look for this to keep going and to hit my target at 76.25. If you took my call yesterday, you're very, very welcome. Come to my channel every single morning if you want to make money. I don't know how much simpler I can make it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love everyone that supports me. Sam Price, Crypto Lifer. Stay trading. Stay safe. Have a good day. Gaming that I gave to everybody free, completely free. I gave this to you guys free yesterday. Everyone on my Instagram channel, I told you we had hidden bullish divergence. Okay, I play that blindly. I mean, the swing low on the price is low to a swing low on the price way higher, but a swing low on the RSI to a swing low is lower. That tells me that the price will continue. We had a giant shootout. I told you to get in 5140. 5140 was my call. You are now up. Huge, pretty much, and on our way to my call at 75. Boom. So there's my target. That's about 76.25, 47% gains off the bottom of the trend line. We held. Look for this white line to close. Bollinger Band's very tight. Tells me that there's even more of this move coming. If we check it out on the 1 hour, very, very strong candle, 57.50. Look for this to keep going and to hit my target at 76.25. If you took my call yesterday, you're very, very welcome. Come to my channel every single morning if you want to make money. I don't know how much simpler I can make it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love everyone that supports me. Sam Price, Crypto Lifer. Stay trading. Stay safe. Have a good day. Okay, here's my update on Penn Gaming. Here's my update on Penn Gaming that I gave to everybody free, completely free.
Do you want my short list for the tokens that the smartest people in the digital currency markets are personally all in on for 2020? Well, I'm going to give it to you guys for free. Hi, my name is Bryce Paul, and I went from being your average underpaid college graduate to generating 3,294% returns in just 1 year. And today, I'm the co-host of the world's largest digital currency podcast, and we cover things like how everyday folks can turn digital coins into consistent income, wealth.
All right, guys, if you're still with us, I just wanted to go over my idea with Penn Gaming that I put out to everybody. VeChain, getting sold down really, really hard. Kind of weird, right? We did see a bit of a head and shoulders. It's coming down. We will see it, but a lot of support down here. Wide on the Bollinger Bands. Getting back down to that oversold region. We were already oversold down here. How much more, VeChain? How much more pain can you take? Very interesting. I put $3,000 into VeChain. We were up $300. Ended up not closing the trade. Wanted to go a little longer, but I really should take that, right? See, hit my target right there at 18.75. So every time it hits my target, I should be taking profits on that target every single time. But look for VeChain. If this could curl up, MACD could reset, and we could see another boom up for VeChain. Now it's got to struggle back to that same point of resistance. We do see somewhat of a higher low compared to this one. We do have hidden bullish divergence still because we have, no, we don't. No. VeChain struggling though. Definitely profit taking right here at that line, which I did not do. I had somewhat up here. I wanted to take it here at this level, 19. And I still stay strong to my target, 50% gains out of VeChain. It's making its way. It's just taking a little bit too long. All right. We went over Yearn Finance, how you guys can get super paid. I told you how to do it. We're going to go over all those different things. This is bull flagging as well on the 4 hour. So look for this to eclipse even more. It's 2.8 Bitcoin. This isn't going to stop. And it's so high, people are going to look for the cheaper ones. Just like why you buy OXT on Coinbase. It's human nature, guys. The newbies aren't going to spend 30,000, 2 Bitcoin on a coin. Boom. This is up 70%. I see that coming. Eclipsing going up to 5 Bitcoin. So 4.98 Bitcoins. Guys, it's we're in the middle of a bull run that is going to get out of control. Something you've never seen. So get your moon boots on. Get ready because it's going to get out of control. Tezos starting to bottom out. Let's look at it on a Fibonacci level for you guys, so we can see exactly where that retrace should kind of leave us and where the traders are beginning to accumulate. Yeah, again, 0.5618 right off the 618. You see how uncanny it is? Bounce, bounce. It's telling me that's a strong idea for accumulation right now on this line at 332. I like Tezos. It's gonna have its day in the sun. It's gonna ride. It also pays you 6 to 7% a year to hold it. One of the best staking coins out there. So just think about that. Something on your radar for Tezos. All right. Pretty cool. For Tezos. All right. I love the low latency. It's pretty good. All right, everybody. Big news, man. Things are moving fast. Like 650 on dot. Now it's starting to make a move. See, there's the bounce off of that freaking retest. Huge candle. Let's see it go. It's got to break 670, man. It can't hit 670 and play games again. Come on, baby. Let's make that pull. Let's make that move. Slight hidden bullish divergence right there. We have price up, but the price down. Price should continue. Pink on the histogram. We got curling up on the MACD. Let's see this zoom up, man. I want to see something like this. Boom, 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 boom. We're right around here, right? Let's see this make a great move. I think it's coming. Everything going to plan. It's taking a long time, though. A lot of patience on this trade. But this is a retest. See it? Retest coming off the trend line. Boom. Buy that retest. And you can see higher lows all the way going up. We have higher low, higher highs. Look for DOT to go to my target at 843. He's still making 50% gains, 30% gains from here. So maybe the perfect buy right now. Look, retest, breakout, pink, ready to go on the RSI. Just something to watch, man. You may want to get into DOT. All right. DOT up 200 on the trade. VeChain only up 100 on the trade. That means I bought so low though. So even if that retrace, CHZ is up a band is up, and we're just gonna let these rot for the rest of the day. We're locked up. We have our stop losses planned out. We know exactly what we're risking, what we could lose, what we can't lose, and let's go from there. Let's see if Yearn Finance went up. Okay, 331. Definitely something worth looking at. Very intense. But yeah, let me know, guys. Let me know what you're planning on doing with your monkeys. And let's just check on Bitcoin. Let's see the big winners in my list today. Hot down. Hot coin just keeps getting slammed. Key getting hit after that huge move. Let's see what a retracement it had. Oof. Damn. Should have sold that Key. I wasn't in Key. But if you were, you'd probably hit yourself. Wanchain. Bamming. I did work on Wanchain. Who knew it was going to do this? It must have had some news. That's insane. That candle just streamed through all resistance that it made, all the way back to the top, ready to lift off. Wanchain, unreal. Penn Gaming just exploding. Exploding. That's huge volume. Actually, on no volume at all, that's even stranger. Huh. TCT had that huge blow off. Boom. 2 giant candles. That thing was up, I think, something like 400%. Look at this. 341% in 3 days. Jeez Louise. ETH making some huge moves. Let's see where we see ETH going. I don't talk about ETH a lot. I just feel like because it does its thing, Falling wedge right here, but inside of a larger bull flag with a fake out. We faked out. We came back into the pattern. Now we're way out of the pattern. Clear breakout for Ethereum. And boom, our target for Ethereum is $586. Even from where we're at now, wait for a bull flag consolidation. It might start kind of moving sideways for a second. 25% gains out of Ethereum, back to 586. Ethereum back into 580s, that's huge bull market territory for me. Ethereum over 500 is bull market territory. I mean, it's like that's heating up time, right? We're starting to heat up. So, where do we see XRP now that it came back in? Look at that huge candle for XRP. Everything just came back into the pattern. They were like, we're going to make it look bullish. We're going to make it look bullish. They tried to get everyone to short. I think there was a lot of people taking shorts because they were like, oh, we're going to hit this trend line. So they must have wiped out all the shorts last night easily. I mean, just billions and billions. Yeah, so I'm giving you, you're going to make money on XRP, XLM, Tezos. You make money on all these coins, honestly. I'll give you the best place to get in, the best place to get out. But blindly, you're going to make money in this market. It's just going to happen. That's what happened last time, honestly. I hate to say that because I want to urge people that you do need to be a disciplined trader. You're not just going to be throwing darts. But some guys who don't know how to trade at all will throw some darts, and they will make some money. I'm telling you right now. It's going to happen. And I'm not saying you're going to miss out by doing all this work. What I am saying is that, doing your due diligence, what I mean is there's going to be coins that go up way more than these average coins. Like, these are the average. The Uniswaps, the things you have to deep dive for, a little higher risk, those are going to pay off even more. So just think about that. Keep that on your mind. These are going to make you a lot of money, like 10x, and these other ones are going to make you 1,000x. Like, it's just kind of how it is. But yeah, we had technical difficulties today with the camera. So the camera didn't show everything it was supposed to show. It really weird. I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm going to have to figure that out and go from there. I'll be sitting there all day pulling my hair out, trying to figure it out. But I'll be on forums researching it and figuring it out. I want to see if there's any news coming. I'll look at silver and gold. Let's look at the Dow, silver and gold. Just because they do end up throwing things off a little bit. Gold, 1970. As I said, it broke out of this bull flag. I see it hitting 2140. That's my target for gold, and I'm sticking to it. Let's look at JNUG. JNUG in a bit of a bull flag there. Really want to see these moving averages come back above. Once it does, it'll become bullish. The fact that it's been bullish without it, I'm telling you right now, this is going to go up a lot. Like, we're talking $1,000 a share. You're going to 10x your money holding JNUG. I'm going to say it blatantly right now. All right, so just stay with me for accumulation of JNUG. Right now, we're in a bull flag. The double bottom pattern here formed, which is bullish to break out. Look for JNUG to break out of this bull flag in the short term. Let's see what kind of gains we have for JNUG. %61 gains coming to JNUG. 248 is my target, and I'm sticking to it. All right. So that's my target for JNUG. I put basically anyone who watched Instagram yesterday into Penn Gaming. If you got into Penn Gaming, you made some money. So, boom. Silver, 28.43. Just keep trucking along. I'm telling you, it's going to my target at 33.48. We're going to stay on this and stay on them every day. We double check my targets. Tesla, I think it's a great buy right now. Look for it to come down. It's overbought. Look for it to come down, consolidate a little bit, turn into a bull flag like this, and then buy a couple times in the bottom of that trend line, and you will make money. Look for Tesla to go back to $3,000 all the way from its split at $497. I think it'll easily eclipse itself back to its old price, even with the split. Overstock, I said I had hidden bullish divergence. MACD turning, get in at 88, 87. I see a turn up for this. If I put this, I could almost call this a bit of a bull flag as well. See that bottom of the trend line on the bull flag could make a W and boom out. We're getting held by the moving averages right here. We don't want to see this white line cross any of the other lines. We do want to see it curl. Look for the blue line to curl, the white line to curl. If that occurs, this will be bullish for Overstock. It's actually oversold on the 4 hour and has hidden bullish divergence. Look for Overstock to keep moving. If it does break back into this trend, my short-term target for Overstock, wow, $194. I can't believe I'm saying this, but that's just what the chart says. Overstock to $200 from 88. Yeah, look for Overstock to go up to $200. Making that call. If it breaks through this trend line, then no, it could have more. But so this is the line in the sand right now for Overstock. You could buy right now, put a stop loss right here. If it falls through, then forget about it. If it doesn't, then you're riding it up to $200. So just something you want to look at with Overstock. And finally, Fluent booming up. Giant moves for Fluent. I said it was look, we looked at it on, did we look at it on the daily? Yeah. Let me zoom out here. On the daily, it was forming a rounded bottom, which was extremely bullish. Look for it to eclipse its all-time high here at $7 and continue up. I see Fluent up in the 20s. Okay? If it follows this line, look, bottom, and it's just going to follow this pattern right back up into the 20s. Look for Fluent. $20 a coin. I mean, let me do some deep dive analysis on the 4 hour on Fluent. Let me look at what I see here in the charts. So we had a bull flag. I said there was 34% gains coming for Fluent, right, at 391. Called that the other day. So I was charting Fluent just the other day. I said we were a rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms are extremely bullish. If I zoom out on the daily, guys, for you guys on Fluent, it's in a rounded bottom. See it? And rounded bottoms are very, very bullish. Look, it bottomed. Now it hit its bottom again. That will be the bottom for Fluent at 141, guaranteed on April 1st, April 2nd, right there. Perfect time to buy. And now it's going to keep moving up. It'll come back up, probably come back down to 339, come back up, and it's going to follow this parabola. I see Fluent I mean, from here to here was May of 2016 till now. 2 years from now, Fluent easily well above $12, this old resistance here, and then on its way to 20. And then when I looked at the 4 hour and I zoomed in, I realized just the other day I had done some work on Fluent. I do so much work on so many coins that I didn't even remember. But I had, look at this. I drew a bull flag with a pennant. I even had a target. At the time I drew this, Fluent was like right around here, sitting at 301. And I said Fluent should be going up to 393 is my target. Right now it's on its way, doing exactly like I said. So good for Fluent. So I was charting Fluent just the other day. I said we were rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms are extremely bullish. If I zoom out on the daily, guys, for you guys on Fluent, it's in a rounded bottom. See it? And rounded bottoms are very, very bullish. Look, it bottom, now it hit its bottom again. That will be the bottom for Fluent at 141, guaranteed on April 1st, April 2nd right there. Perfect time to buy. And now it's going to keep moving up. It'll come back up, probably come back down to 339, come back up, and it's going to follow this parabola. I see Fluent, I mean, from here to here was May of 2016 till now. 2 years from now, Fluent easily well above $12, this old resistance here, and then on its way to 20. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off now. Had a kind of a jumbled day, but we got through a lot. We went through a lot. Showed you a bunch of stuff that's going on in the crypto world that I think you guys really need to pay attention to. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, one other thing is I got merch. That's right. Merch, dude. Who doesn't want cool crypto merch, right? Cool crypto merch. Let's see. Where did I put my merch link? Wi-Fi Mania. Your easy path to get rich. It's true, though. He's 100% right. Yeah. All right, but I'm trying to see. Oh, yeah. You just go into my studio. Videos. Live. I just want to add it to the description of one of these videos, so it should be there. It should say buy the merch. I'll get it up tomorrow or today, later on today. But we got awesome merch. Let me see. I spent like hours working on it yesterday as well. Where is my merch? So here it is, though. I'll put the link in the description right now. Not play games. Edit video. Buy merch. I make you guys money. You might as well spend some back on the channel. But the merch is dope. I really like it. We'll show you the merch now through the link. Channel merch. But check it out. We got it all. Fanny packs. This is the dope Crypto Lifer shirt, right? This is sick. Banks are for robbing. Crypto Lifer. We got this cool shirt. Crypto is life. We got logos in different colors, some yellow, some green. We got, oh, this is my favorite right here, the Crypto Lifer. Dope, kind of blended. I threw the Crypto Lifer on the sleeve a little quick with the, you got the little guy exploding. Pretty sick, man. You got some nice running pants for your girl. You want to get her some Crypto Lifer stuff. We got a nice zip hoodie. This is dope. Crypto Lifer, just clean, you know. But yeah, man, let me know, guys. Crypto Lifer merchandise out for you guys. So check it out and stay tuned for more. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, crypto is life. And if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right